Hello, I have JYJ's Thanksgiving Live in Dome DVD here to unbox for you. So we have the front, and the back. You can see the contents right here, as well listed down in the description. This is, let's see here, region 2, since it is a Japanese DVD. Right. So let's take off this protective cover. Right, front, back, spine. Okay, let's see. Oh, and Photobook. First DVD. And the second one, you can see the back as well. We have the Photobook. Oh gosh, it is so big. Looking good. This is just wow. Yes, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye.